you can install Raptor.
Yes.
You decide. I will advise you, better you go with that advanced machine with the good configuration. What is the problem in admin?
Basically, it's the laptop of Siemens company, right?
All right.
So my brother has to go to the office, and I don't know it's possible on Saturday or Sunday or
So
not.
it's your brother office laptop.
Yes.
Sangeeta, what I've suggested him, so let him do the Raptor work task in the old system only. And after doing the task, take a screenshot and share it to us through Slack. So like that, will it work?
These will work only as a temporary solution.
Only for Raptor, yeah. For Java and all, he has to use the same system.
Like let's say next week I want you to install JDK. I want you to install IntelliJ.
Okay.
So that has to be the system which you are connecting with us.
So it's practically how can you see, Deepesh, come on, be practical. So let's say if I have two laptops next to me, so one I'll listen, I'll observe, the other one will work. If it's okay, it's a temporary thing for Raptor. But when it comes to Java, when you want to share your error screen, some debrief will happen at the time you want to share your screens, you want to share your program. A lot more things are there. Then what to do for all the forthcoming IDs?
Okay, I will try with both laptops installing.
You should arrange one laptop with good configuration. So by the way, all of you, so you need a laptop with good configuration. I'm concentrating on the RAM part. Your storage, your RAM, it is advisable to have 6 or 8 GB RAM, and you should have admin privilege. There are so many softwares you need to install, so many IDEs required to work. Always we cannot go for temporary solution or shortcuts. This is a long program, guys. Long term thing. Deepesh, you decide.
I will work it out then.
But this two laptop working is a temporary solution, by the way. It will not help you for the long-term connect.
Madam. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Karim, you want to say something?
Madam, last one, please tell me, madam. Answer. Last one, 10th one.
So 10th one, you enter two numbers and find the remainder of the number.
Yes, madam.
You divide and find the remainder. As simple. I just want you to experience this modulo operator.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Hi, Neeraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pa. What is
this? How to solve this question?
You can't get two inputs on one input box. In order to get name, in order to get age, drag and drop, this will not work. Wait,
how?
We will do it now. I'm just giving you. Don't close it. Wait. Oh. Listen to me. Listen. Yeah. Everyone can listen. So according to him, he thought he want to get enter student name, concatenate enter student age. There is no problem with his prompt. Prompt is just a message to be displayed on the dialog. But when it comes to variable, student name, student age, according to machine, it will consider student name, student age as a single variable.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are not living in we are although we live in the world of artificial intelligence, so this will not work.
How can I
so your machine will not think like you. So if you provide student name, student age, so according to your brain, according to our sense, We need two variables, but machine will not think in such the way. It will work as based on the instruction which is already fed in this application. I'll tell you the solution. Before that, let us have a discussion on the same. Yeah. So that is what I am trying to say from the morning. So my computer will work based on the algorithm which I have instructed on the code. So according to me, I should get two variable, but according to my machine, it will consider it. If according to your machine, STUDENT is just an ASCII code. For me, it is a meaningful word, but for computer, it is just a key code. Please make a note of today's assignment topic, that is home reading topic. The first topic is ASCII.
ASCII.
No, I'll type, don't worry. This is the first home reading topic. So this is a computer term. I'll give you the list of topics. For computer, it is just it's just a key press, key values. But for me, it is a meaningful name. It won't work. So what you have to do it is you reserve the first input box only to capture student name. You better delete all these student age and the student age you delete. Only have enter student name and student name variable. Here also you declare variable student name alone. That's correct. You come to variable block. No. You there it should be enter. Neeraj, come on. That is just a prompt message. I'm talking about the variable name. Sorry. You give done. You drag and drop one more input box after student name. Neeraj, we will do, but before that, you please get my point. You analyze the current situation. Now you get age. You run. You want to modify something on the output?
No, it's correct.
You can modify in such the way your name is Neeraj and your age is 22. Neeraj, listen. So I want output for this problem statement. You have to modify the output in such the way. I should get, wait. Your name is, I want this output, you do whatever you want. Your name is whatever the name I'm entering and your age is 22 or 23, whatever I'm entering. You modify your output according to this requirement. All right. Yeah. So let's have an evening break. I'm stopping your screen share, Neeraj. Don't lower your hand, by the way. Let it be. Those who have completed all the 10 problems.
Ma'am, small doubt.
Kalapala will discuss after a break. I'll connect with you after break.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
You only I'm gonna to connect first after break. Okay. So guys, cool. So let's
So, ma'am,
take.
how should I write that out?
You try.
Ma'am, what would be the question for that?
What would be the question is no. In the same program, I should get the output, whatever the pattern I want as an output.
Ma'am, what pattern is it?
Your name is whatever the name I'm entering, and your age is the age which you are
Okay.
entering.
Okay.
You do all the concatenation, double quotes plus wherever you want and get that output. Okay, let's go on evening break. Have your evening coffee, snacks.
So, ma'am, how long it would take?
Who is that? Yes, Neeraj. No, repeat. How long?
The evening break is for how long?
I'm coming. You can take a break and come back at 4:35. It's a 10 minutes break.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ రీఛార్జ్ చెప్పారు ఫోన్ కి.
Pala, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You said something and I told we will connect after break. What is that?
Yes, ma'am. There is small problem. I had a question about our Raptor, and can I share my screen, ma'am?
Please share.
1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, see this ones. The name of the student and average of the 5 subjects. Can I write like this, or can I write only in one box?
1 second. Let me see your code.
Okay.
It's correct, pa. You can write like this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. This was the
Welcome. It's correct. Proceed.
Hello, ma'am. I am facing problem in modular expression.
You share your screen.
Okay.
Those who have completed all the 10 problem statement in Raptor, please raise your hand. Those who have completed all, please raise your hand.
I just stacking on the last one. This is my screen, ma'am.
I can see 60 by 120. Okay, that is speed.
This is from previous one, I think.
Okay, wow, what is there to struck? You open a notepad. You write an algorithm for the same. You write an algorithm now.
Okay.
Sukrit, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing a link for Raptor for Mac. You try that.
Okay. No, ma'am, that doesn't work.
What happened?
Basically, it's a 32-bit application, and this Mac only accepts 64 bits.
It's throwing an exception.
Yes. an error which, I mean, it says the developer needs to update the app. There's another online web Raptor application that we found.
Try that.
Yeah, but I'm not able to code anything on it. I'll just share the link with you.
I'll connect with you next. After Mainak, I'll connect with you. No. Why are you giving 14 and 15 in algorithm? I may enter any data. Start input first number, input second number, calculate reminder or modulo reminder. A reminder, REMINDER. Calculate reminder is equal to first number modulo second number.
Underscore.
No. Your first number, you just type first number.
First number.
Modulo operator. What is that modulo operator? What we call that percentage. Right. Second number. Display reminder. Stop. Is it meaningful? Implement the same in flowchart. Will you able to try the same in flowchart? Ainak, it is possible. You can try. Sukrit, you share your screen.
All right, so this was the app. And this is the error, right?
Wait. What is this? It shows like it is the lowest version. Can't you find the latest version on the same?
No, there's no other version for the same. Also, I happen to find a web version.
Check. You have tried with this online.
But I wasn't able to input.
You cannot
any...
execute. You can. It's simply like a paint application. You can draw the diagram, but you cannot trigger
No,
each and
ma'am.
every event.
It's a bit more nuisance than that.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
you told me now to solve the problem. Yes, ma'am, I have solved that.
Okay. You share me that snapshot on the Slack.
Ma'am, is it correct now?
Who's that?
Ma'am?
Who is speaking?
Ma'am, Neeraj.
Neeraj, have you shared on Slack?
Ma'am, on the Zoom, I shared.
I told you to share on Slack. You share it. I'm handling with Sukrit installation. Then I'll give you a feedback. You continue with the reminding.
So there was this, but again, I wasn't able to find anything to program it.
In Softonic also, you can't. Okay.
Hello, Sangeeta.
Mm.
Yeah, in File Hippo, there is a File Hippo for Mac. Their Raptor software is there.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
the same one that
You
we
tried that?
downloaded. Yes. I've downloaded that.
File
as
Hippo
well.
also you tried?
Yes. So there's just one application for Mac in the internet, that is the version 1, which is 32-bit. And that is the
Yours
reason.
is- it's not supporting.
Yes.
So I made a note, Suprit. You should try to analyze all the 10 problem statements and try to write an algorithm. I'll be connecting with you. Okay.
Okay.
So I already passed the message to the tech team. They are giving each of them are giving solutions. That one solution was the link which I have shared. I'll be keep on touch. So even after 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock or 8 p.m. Whenever I get any suggestion from the team, I will pass the message to you on Slack. You'll respond.
All right. I just shared the.
I have taken the snapshot of the version issue which you have faced.
Okay. And I've shared the coding on Slack,
Yeah,
but it's not algorithm. It is the.
Yeah. That not looks like an algorithm.
Yeah, that is not the algorithm. I'll share the algorithm. Meanwhile, okay.
So I share the.
Who is this?
Mami told me to share the Slack.
I received. I'll look into it and I'll share you the feedback. You please continue with the rest of the problems.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
I have this issue. 7 question. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Please go ahead with your query.
I have this issue with 7 question. Subject and can I share my screen? My share.
Get name and 5 subject marks. So how many input you want to get? How many inputs you have to drag and drop?
5.
Including name 6.
Okay.
And then display total, display average. It is possible. Give a try.
Okay.
All right. I can see 29 hand rise. Again, I'm repeating. Those 29 hand rise have completed all the 10 programs. All right. You just raise your hand so that I can take track with others.
Hello, ma'am. Can you share me the Slack link to my name?
You said something. You want to have that link.
Ma'am. Actually, I want to.
Who is that?
Shivani.
Who asked for the link?
Shivani.
Shivani. Once again. Yes, Shivani, I shared you on Slack. Oh, Slack. Okay, I'll share it on the chat box.
Ma'am, send me on my mail.
you send your mail ID to Hasib sir. Hasib, please share the link to her over mail. We draft a mail and send to her.
So what I'm supposed to do, Sangeeta? Sorry, I didn't get you.
Yeah, she needs an invite on Slack link. I already shared the link to you on.
Okay. This link I need to share
this
to
link,
him.
yeah. I share anyway. You can't copy from Zoom chat. I shared it on Slack.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Or I'll send you the mail ID now.
One second.
I'll share you, Shivani, 2 minutes.
Sukrit, I shared one more link on general channel.
Okay.
Try that. Yeah, someone called me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pa.
Ma'am, there is some backup folder is created inside the Raptor folder. Should I delete that?
You will get one file. That file extension is .rap. What else?
Okay.
Don't delete it. Let it be.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, I always stuck in the section of variable.
All right, Anurag. Share your screen. We'll discuss.
Okay.
Shivani, your name is Shivu Gupta, is it, in the Slack?
Yes, I sent
Okay.
Shivu Gupta.
Shivu Gupta, okay.
She wants in a mail.
Oh, she wants in a mail.
Ma'am, is that visible?
So, which program you are in?
In 4th.
You are in 4th. Square of the number.
Yes,
you read
ma'am.
the problem statement for me.
Get a number and the displayed square.
Yeah. So you should need one input and you should need output. So those get and all, it's an auto generator term. Where are you? This part is correct, but you have to modify here. You should provide only variable name. You delete everything and you give number. You delete everything, no double quotes, nothing. In variable name, it's not required to provide double quotes. Just type number. That's all. Your variable name is number. Okay, num, let it be num. You click, you click. So get a number and display its square. How to calculate the square of the given number?
Sorry.
So how to calculate square of a given number?
By
Square. What is meant by the term square? We are all forgetting the basic formula, basic mathematical terms as we all grown up.
Multiplication of the number by itself.
So same number you need to multiply. That will give you the square.
yes, ma'am.
So what is the number? You are getting a number and you are storing in a variable num. So what I want to return? No need to have double quotes. Let us print the output alone. What is the output I need? If I give 4, I should get 16. If it is 5, I should get 25. Those 4 and 5 will be stored in a variable num. So what could be the possible output statement here to get the square of the number? Anurag, it's high time. I asked you a simple question, Pa.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Don't forget all the basic mathematics, basic physics. So you have number. If I entered the number as 4, I should get 16. 4 into 4, 5 into 5. So which variable I have stored my 4 and 5 in number? So in output, it should be what expression? What is an expression inside your outputs?
Square.
No, square root is different. We will not use predefined function as of now. It's simple, num into num.
Yes, ma'am.
You type num into num. Why num into num? Because you declared a variable num. What are you thinking? Num into number. Num multiplied with num. Please, presence of mind. What are you doing? You should always recollect. We are doing a fourth problem statement, which is getting a number and square.
Yes, ma'am.
Number you are capturing in num. How to calculate the square?
So, num into num.
Num into number.
Yes, ma'am.
Num into num. What is that into? That multiplication symbol. Oh. I'm waiting you to complete. I have last a few slides to complete. You don't give X. Can't you find multiplication symbol? You will find it on 8. On the key 8, along with 8. You type num. So no worries, Anurag, we'll go slowly. So you have done 4th. You give done. You try for 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th today.
Okay.
No worries, you are on the right track. You run and show me the output.
Thank you.
Welcome, Pa. Please continue with the remaining 6. I want you to complete before tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Anywhere you got struck, you message me on Slack. Okay. Fine. Those who have not raised, quickly I'll call your name. You need to tell me how much is left. Neeraj, what is this? Error? Neeraj, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Execute and show me the output. You will know.
executed, ma'am.
I cannot see that another window. You stop and share your screen. Don't choose Raptor. You choose option screen.
Okay.
Okay. Quickly, I'll call out the names. I already spoke with Anurag. Abhilash, how much is pending?
Yes, ma'am.
How much out of 10?
Only 2 is pending, ma'am. 6 and 7. I'm
All
doing
right.
7.
All right. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Denita?
Yes, ma'am. I'm 6. This one is pending, ma'am.
All right. Denita, I don't think we have connected much from morning. Are you able to do those Raptor exercise by yourself? Are you facing any difficulty?
Yeah, I'm able to do it, but I'm a bit slow.
No, you can be slow. We can be on track, but you can able to do by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Any input hint required, you please message me on Slack. Gaurav, out of 10, how much completed and how much is left?
And 7 is completed.
Good. Mainak?
There is a doubt, ma'am.
All complete, ma'am.
Who is that? Okay, you have completed, but you have a doubt.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Neeraj this side.
Neeraj, I'll come to you. I know I got what is the problem in your what is that in your flow chart. You compare the output and your flow chart, the last block, and try to analyze. I'll come to you. Instead of 16, you are getting 4.
No, ma'am, I
Analyze.
the number 2.
I'll give you
I
the
got
hint. You
4.
have to use parenthesis. Think and do. Don't stop your screen share. Okay. Gaurav,
What parenthesis?
I connected to you. Okay. Shubham Kumar. What parenthesis? Sometime back I told about parenthesis. You compare your flow chart and the output screen and try to analyze. I'll come to you. Wait. I will come to you. You stay. You do analysis. Shubham Kumar, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How much completed out of 10?
I've completed 6.
All right. Okay. Shubham Shivaji.
One question regarding algorithm.
Yeah, ma'am. I have completed more than 8.
Whomsoever I'm calling, respond alone. Others, please wait. I'll come to you.
Hello, ma'am.
Shubham,
Yeah,
Shivaji,
ma'am,
repeat.
I completed more than 8. Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah. Noted. Thank you. Shubham Alam. Shubham Alam, you there?
Yes, ma'am. All done.
Very good. Then please raise your hand. Or, by the way, all of you, based on your completion, you please update on the Google Sheet. Where is this sheet? Hasib, you please check except Sukrit. Yeah, except Sukrit. Many have not updated the Google Sheet.
Okay.
So those who have not done for the first 5 columns, you please check with them on Slack.
Okay.
Yes, Swapnil.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah, ma'am, I'm sharing with you. Actually, my formula is not running. I'm not getting anything.
Okay, after Neeraj, yeah, I want you to share.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Upendra.
Yes, ma'am.
I think we worked together on 2nd or 3rd.
Second, ma'am.
Second. Have you completed 3rd?
Yes, ma'am. Only 3 remaining. 6, 8, 9.
Oh, very, very good. Continue. Vivek. Vivek dot. I don't know, is this Vivek Sharma or Vivek Kumar? Let me scroll up.
Hello. Ma'am, it's Vivek Sharma.
Vivek
Vivek
Sharma.
dot.
Yes, Pa. How much
6 completed, ma'am. 4 left.
All right. Yes, Neeraj, have you analyzed anything it got strike? You minimize this console. You go to the Raptor.
Yes, ma'am. I got the answer. Ma'am, can you see the screen?
No, I can't see. I can see only your console. You stop and share again.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Listen, all of you pay attention. So instead of a square, the number alone, it is displaying on the output. For example, if he provided an input as 4, he is getting square of the number equal to 4. What could be the possibility of this incorrect?
No, ma'am, now it is correct, ma'am.
How it will be correct? It will not be correct because you missed a parenthesis.
How, ma'am?
Wait. That's what we will discuss. All of you pay attention. So according to Neeraj, he typed the given text. So all of you, can you see my whiteboard text? So
Yes,
according
ma'am.
to Neeraj output control, he typed in such way that display square of number. So
Ma'am, you write number plus number.
yeah, double quote starts
No,
here
ma'am.
and double quote ends here. When he give number is equal to 4, he'll be getting the output display square of number equal to double quotes followed with concatenation. So he will get plus 4. But before that, so before concatenation, what we want to do? I'm sorry, this is, oh my God.
Use parentheses.
Wait. Instead of multiplication, I used. So yeah, parenthesis has to be used. This is third time I am discussing about parenthesis. No worries. We will discuss as many number of times. But don't repeat certain things, certain basic. So according to him, if he gave number value as 4, he will be getting the output display square of the number equal to 4. That's all. He will get like this.
Ma'am, no, I got the answer 16.
Yeah, but you want 16. Again, I'm repeating, computers will perform an action only based on the instruction. The precedence is from left to right. According to the precedence, my output is display square of the number. Along with the text, it is concatenating number. So I have to instruct the computer that I should not do concatenation before my multiplication. So in order to give the higher priority to the expression has to be placed within parenthesis. This is applicable for even basic multiplication expression. So I have to instruct to my environment stating that display square of the number, I should not print 4. Before that, I want to do multiplication, 4 into 4. So I need to do multiplication. Then the answer needs to be concatenated with the text. So in order to instruct the priority, you have to use parenthesis. Where you have to use the parenthesis between the expression. So number into number, you should enclose within parenthesis. What is the meaning of the parenthesis? So before concatenation, before plus or before any operation, my parenthesis block will be executed first. So 4 into 4, 16 will be calculated. That 16 will be concatenated with the display message. Neeraj, is that clear? What you want to add? You want to add parenthesis between number into number. Do it in front of me.
So ma'am, this bracket is a parenthesis.
Do. You have to use bracket in your expression, in your arithmetic or whatever the expression you are using.
So ma'am, which block I should edit? This.
No, you should edit the third block. What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, this one, edit. This is what I'm telling you. Use parenthesis.
Number into number.
Oh my God. Listen to me, Neeraj. So you listen, be patient. So I was telling your case as an example. You want the output display number of the number. Previously, you mentioned like equal to double quotes plus number.
Yes, ma'am.
All these 5-10 minutes, I want to add this extra parenthesis to the expression. That's it. You type display square of the number equal to. Along with number into number, you make number into number within parenthesis as an expression.
Oh, okay.
All of you, is that clear? Why we want to include parenthesis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 second.
Ma'am, this is how you.
Yeah, Neeraj, execute.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I'm on mute. My daughter called me. So I went.
Okay, no problem.
You run.
Your number is equals to 4. Display square of the number is equals to 16.
Wait, don't do anything. You got it? So if you are not using parentheses, the expression is not at all executing. It is simply concatenating with 4. But the expected output is 16.
But ma'am, previously also I had the same output.
But without parentheses, you should know the usage of parentheses. You should know what to say, importance of the parentheses. Without this parenthesis symbol, you can't get the desired output. With this concatenation part.
Okay.
Please analyze. Please do. It's a kind request. Whomsoever got settled down with the problem, it's fine. So others, Neeraj, I'm telling you, for you, others, I'm telling this in common. please do analyze on each and every symbol, each and every statement which we had, which you have used in the problem statement. Every symbol is having a meaning. You should know where and how to use. That is the art of programming.
So, ma'am, bracket is called parenthesis in the computer language, right?
Yeah. We call it as parenthesis, and we will use all the symbols. So you should know. In Java, we will use square, what I called parenthesis. We will use square bracket. We will use curly braces. We will use double quotes. We will use single quotes, dot. Every symbol are called as operators, and it is powerful in Java. That is what we want to know. Don't worry, you will be familiar with all.
Hello, ma'am. Shubham, ma'am, please explain 6 number question.
Yeah, sometime back we discussed the same. This question number 6 is applicable for increasing in selling price, or this is applicable for discounted price. We may familiar with the discounted price, isn't it or not? Oui. So we are living in the era of online shopping. Those e-commerce made the drastic change. So let's say there is a product. So you were randomly what? So you want to buy a product. You were randomly looking for the product in Flipkart. So the product price is 3,400 rupees. And if you buy today, you will get an offer of 15%. So tell me how much you want to pay for the product. Calculate manually and tell. Shubham Kumar, do those calculation and tell me. Others can type it on chat box, the value and the formula which we will use to find the discounted price. Every day they are revising the price. You take petrol price. You take.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Wow, very nice. Adhere to the session. Something. The practice time was over. Listen, guys. I have 40 minutes. I want to utilize the 40 minutes in discussion. After 6 o'clock, you can continue practicing. Requesting all of you to pass your work and pay attention. After 6 o'clock, your Raptor application and your machine is all yours till tomorrow morning. Okay, listen. So I want
510.
Huh?
510.
No, I could not hear that word, your answer properly.
510.
What 510? No.
15% of.
Listen to the question. I want how much I want to pay to Flipkart to buy the product, which is costing 3,400 rupees, but today they are selling for 15% discount price. If I buy today before 12 a.m., I will get this discount till 11:59 p.m. So this is the actual price. How much I want to pay.
2890.
2890.
2890.
Is it fine? How you will calculate?
2890.
Let it be actual price.
2890.
Let it be discount. Can I use this 15 as it is, like other value? What is the difference between 3,400 and 15%?
Ma'am, 3400 is the actual price.
This is in the form of
15% is a
value.
float value, decimal value.
Yeah. This is in the form of value. This is in the form of percentage divided by 100. Yeah, float.
Float value, decimal value.
Yeah, the formula is, so revised price. Let's take variable. Again, I'm repeating. These two were my input. These were my inputs. This is what my calculation or process. And this is gonna to be my output. One second. A revised price is equal to actual price minus actual price into 10 by 100. So guys, yeah, this is for discounting the price. And we will discuss on increasing the selling price. You all have to excuse me for 2 minutes. So you please analyze this and try to find the same formula, same inputs, process and output for increasing the selling price.
Ma'am, 15%, euro 10.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. So give me 2 minutes time. Meanwhile, you can find all these. You can think all this.
Nitish, are you there in the meeting? Nitish? Hello, Nitish, are you there? Hello, guys. Nitish, are you there in the call? Okay, he might not be there, I think. What about Raju? Raju, are you there in this meeting now? Ramaya? Rama, if you are there, please respond.
Yeah, you please check with them once on Slack and update on that sheet.
Yeah, actually Slack, they are offline in Slack. That's why I'm checking here only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we called Ramya and she said some mic issue.
Okay, okay.
Okay, but I cannot see her now. Let me scroll.
Yeah.
No, she's not there in the meeting. Please make a note.
Sangeeta, Anurag and Gaurav, they have completed 4 tasks on Raptor. So they require help on.
Sir Gaurav, I will complete it 6.
Oh, you have completed till 6. Okay, okay. So do you require help for completing the rest of them?
Sir, I want to rest. I will message you.
Okay, okay. Okay, Anurag, do you require help for completing the rest of them?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm doing it. Well, if I need help, I'll tell you.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So whatever we have marked attendance in the morning, Ramya and Nitish.
Sangeeta, Lalit also have joined. I think in
No,
the
this
morning.
Lalit keep on joining and leaving the session. So it has been thrice or 4 times he left and rejoined. Please update it on the remark sheet.
Okay, 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 okay. So do we absent him or present him, or I will not do anything as of now?
Yeah, and as per our sheet, we have only 46.
Yeah.
And here also 40. Any duplicate login? One who joined both, I think Vivek Kumar login. Then we want to find whose name is
Abhinash.
I have joined with 2 devices, ma'am.
Vivek Kumar. So then 48 minus 3, 45. So there should be 3 absentees marked in our 3.
Yes, yes. I'll just check it out.
2 absenteeism. No, 45 also there is. You said Ramya is missing, Nitish is missing. Shivani, when you joined in the morning?
Yes, ma'am. From
when you connected the session in the morning?
9:10.
Okay, then I'm marking you present. Subham Shivaji also I'm connecting with him often.
Okay.
Yes, I also. Hello.
Lalit is also
I think
present today.
Yeah, he's present. I think because he's joining.
Chitresh is also present. According to me, all present.
Yeah, because 48 we can see, right? Yeah.
Yeah, 46, including us 48.
Including us 48, yes.
There were duplicate login. So one Ramya is the missing person.
Okay.
So yeah. Hey, really no.
Yes, Sangeeta.
I'm astonished. This is
these batch.
This is
no. These batch is very promising batch, Sangeeta. Yeah, they have decided they will do something good in their future. So they are dedicated. Okay, so this dedication we would like to see till the end. Then nobody can stop them. Okay, that's what. It's really good for us also. We also can deliver better if this kind of response we'll get it from the students, right? Yeah, yes.
Thanks, still, I know I have not. I didn't came up from that. What to say, that amazing thing. Good.
Yeah. Keep it up, guys. Yes.
Never ever I experienced these many years. I'm totally astonished. That is what I keep on telling. Okay. Good, guys. I'm happy. All right. Okay, I'm going to mark a present for all the learners, because whomsoever we marked, I am having a continuous conversation with them. All right. Is there any changes to be done on revised price? Same thing is applicable for increased price. Increased instead of plus, increased percentage. I should not put in 15. I should put increased or discount. Here it is plus, right? So what would be the revised price for increasing the increased selling price case? Calculate.
3920. 3920.
All right. Try to analyze. I don't have anything to explain. These are all common things which we are dealing with everyday basis. Swapnil,
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
saw your message.
Yeah,
I'll come to you, dear.
Okay.
Let me make a note in my diary. Where is Swapnil? All right. This complete file, I'll share it on Mentor Notes channel after 6. You will get it.
Okay, ma'am. Increased price will be 3910. Increased price will be 3910.
These
3910.
I made mistake. 3910.
3910.
Okay.
Right
Okay.
answer. 3910, ma'am.
Done. Mark as 3910 as revised price. All right. Yeah, one more point I want to say. Those who have not raised the hand, if you want to, if you have 3 pending, 4 pending, take your own time. If tomorrow morning you have 2 more remaining and you want some hint, you could not able to crack, you try to crack the logic and try to do by yourself. You break the head, you do whatever you want, but give a try. Don't step backward. Even tomorrow morning you want to connect to me, or tonight if you want to connect to me, you can connect. You can message me on Slack. No worries. So not everyone will not be same, but slowly, gradually you have to increase the speed. We will do that together, but no worries. Even tomorrow morning you have completed only 8, but it not meant that you have not taken the effort to complete. Although you have taken an effort to complete all 10, but you could not able to complete, that's fine. Well and good. No, nothing wrong in that. You can try tomorrow, you can try on Saturday, you can try on Sunday. So ensure that you are completing all the week practice. You're practicing all on the same week. Nothing wrong in that. Yeah. So yeah, we already discussed many more things, but I just wanted to take the same on the PPT. If anything is, I thought the symbol part is missing. I thought to take these few slides. So please pay attention, pass your work. So I know I skipped certain problem statement because I haven't discussed to you about conditional construct, if, switch case construct, loop construct to you all. So we will discuss it on tomorrow and Monday. So tomorrow I'm planning to introduce conditional. Monday I'm planning to introduce looping construct. All right, theory part alone I want to cover so that it would be like a recap. A graphical representation of an algorithm. I'll repeat, algorithm is a step-by-step instruction we will use. We used to write in a common English term. So with steps, with finite number of steps. So each step will list out the action you're going to perform it on the sequence. So algorithm will be in the form of an English terms, sentence kind of a thing. But in a diagrammatic format, if I want to represent, I can use flowchart. Shows the flow of the program or the process. And by the way, flowchart is easy for us to identify the flow in the application since it is in the form of diagram. So we human brain will work will quick when we are seeing a diagram rather than in the form of textual. Contains the set of symbols where each symbol represents specific activity. So yeah, you cannot use just like that symbol. We have symbols and each symbol is reserved for some purpose in the flowchart. So as on today, we came across with 3 symbols. So one is for start and end, those ellipses. And the other 2 were your input and output in a Raptor. So as I said, tomorrow we will continue with this diagonal symbol, conditional construct, looping construct, and the assignment. This call we will not touch as of now. Okay. So in general, we were using Raptor to execute the flowchart. It is one advanced tool. So before Raptor, when I started my all these training, we used to draw the diagram alone. We will draw the diagram. We will draw based on the flow of the problem statement. That's it. We cannot execute. We can execute only if we convert into programming language. So this Raptor is quite interesting. So we are using Raptor, a tool. So in order to visualize the algorithm by using the proper Raptor symbols, if you use, we can visualize the algorithm. And for sure, it limits syntactic complexity. We don't need to worry much on the syntax. So basically, see this concatenation, basic syntax part alone we need to use. I want all of you to closely observe on this diagram. See, the first column is for regular flowchart symbol. When you use paper and pen, and if you draw the flowchart of any problem statement, we used to follow this. As soon as we are using the Raptor, you have to use certain symbols. This input, can you see, compare, please compare every row. Input takes input from the user. So only that, what is the dashed line box? Here we will have input arrow. For process, more or less the same, remains same. Tomorrow we will use the process. Even you can use the process to calculate those addition, multiplication. You can try process even for today's exercises. Output, this was the symbol which we used in a regular flowchart. And this, I'm sure you people are familiar. The remaining 2, this is for decision, conditional construct. If you specify the condition, condition can be resultant on 2 possibilities. One is true possibility, the other one is false possibility. Condition yes, condition no. Based on that, you need 2 different blocks. If you want to call a procedure, a routine from one application to the other one, we will use procedure or subroutine. So loop, there is no defined symbol for flowchart, regular flowchart, but in Raptor we have a defined symbol. You can find it on the screen. whenever I want to do any repetitive process. Yeah, in real world, there were so many repetitive process. So I can achieve that with Raptor. As I said, tomorrow or Monday, I'll touch on this loop, but tomorrow we will discuss a lot more on this decision. Yeah, terminator. In regular flowchart, we use this symbol, and here we are using ellipsis. Yeah, connector. One flow diagram and the other flow diagram will be connected with circle. Here there is no, yeah. We don't have connector, we don't have off-page connector, we don't have annotation in Raptor. So in regular flowchart diagram, in order to connect two diagrams or two flow, we will use connector. One page to another page, we can connect with this symbol. If you want to insert any comments on any block, we will use annotation, comments. Explore more on the same. I'm sure all of you, I'm assuming like all have completed this addition of two numbers in Raptor. Yeah. One more thing. I used today only this what is that, input and output. We have this assignment symbol. We can use this assignment for expression. So please try this. You can open the existing flow diagram, flow chart diagram. For what you can use, you can declare that variable like addition, sum, square, what else, revised selling price, area of circle. You can calculate separately and you can display separately. So here we combined the expression and output in the output block, but you can try this. I want all of you to experience this assignment block with an existing problem statement by today. Please make a note of it. Yes.
Ma'am, before we end, can I ask last question? Yes, ma'am. I have solved this question, which was a percentage question, discount percentage.
No. Who is speaking, by the way?
Ma'am, Neeraj.
Yes, Neeraj.
Ma'am, this discount question you asked. This one, ma'am.
Yes, Pa. Let me go to my notepad. What you want to discuss on this?
Ma'am, that's how I found this question. I have solved this question. Is it right or wrong?
Okay, you got it. See, why I want to check, you are providing an input. So if you give 3,400, if you are getting 15% or the 15 is fixed, you should get 3910 in the output console. If you are getting 3910, it's correct. If you are getting some other value, then there is a problem with your formula.
But ma'am, the answer was said 2890, I guess.
That is for discounted price.
Yeah.
Because in discounted price, the revised price will be less than the fixed price, the actual price.
Yeah.
Discounted price. Then it will be correct. Neeraj, it will be correct. No worries. You continue with the next problem.
So ma'am, we don't need to use the assignment symbol for this.
You can use, guys, listen. can you modify this increased selling price demo with assignment operator? You can use this input block. You can use assignment for calculating the revised price, and you can use output symbol to display the revised price. Will you give a try? We will do it now. So before that, I would like to list out a few self learning topic for today. The additional things I wanted to give. So already I mentioned about ASCII, right? Oh my God, I thought to give one as a second topic, but it's not. Yeah. IDE. EXE. Library files. What I can give. Okay, I'll give bot. See, since today is the first day, I don't have anything related to the concept. These are all some generalized software terms. Explore, lot more are there. So just, I'm sure if you will be with your mobile with pocket internet all the time, you just search for the word ASCII. You take any article and read about ASCII. If you have understood, that's fine. If you have not understood, or if you have any query, come back to me on tomorrow. Likewise. Will it be fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what exactly, ma'am, what exactly do we have to learn about this .exe and library files?
I will not ask anything about these 5 topics tomorrow. This is just an additional thing I want to give for your for your benefit.
Okay.
If you have understood and if you got to know about those terms, well and good. If you have any query, even after reading so many articles, you didn't get the exact core functionalities of this topic, you come back to me tomorrow. It's in your interest. Wherever I will ask, have you read the self-learning part? Have you understood what is ASCII? I won't ask.
I mean, do we need them later in our course?
Do you need?
These library files and .exe, all that?
Yeah, these are all software terms we
Okay,
will
okay.
use in near future.
Okay. Thank
It's
you.
a kind
may
of general knowledge, general
Yeah.
technical knowledge.
Yeah. Exactly.
That's exactly what I was
I
asking.
will not say a general thing. It is related to software terms.
Okay.
Software terms, yes, yeah.
We'll explore.
Okay.
And by the way, a lot more are there. So technology updates, and every day, no, these technologies are ruining our life. Yeah. So it's 5:50 in my clock. We have 10 minutes time. So those 10 minutes time, I want you to use assignment symbol in this this assignment symbol drag and drop, particularly in this increased selling price. What is that? Problem number 6. Give a try. All right. Last 10 minutes. Any queries? Deepesh, I saw your message right now.
Yes, ma'am.
If in order to install any software, you need admin rights, my dear.
But I have installed
Not
IDE.
possible without admin rights.
I don't know.
I am not that techie person. But as per my knowledge, in order to install any software in your machine, you should have admin rights. You need admin password.
Okay, let me see like how I was able to do that.
You find, you check with your brother.
Yeah, thank you.
I want to connect with Swapnil. Swapnil, what is the issue?
Ma'am, I had completed the group.
That's fine. If you're completed, it's fine.
Hello.
Ma'am, done.
Oh, this the new one, assignment one. Okay, no worries. You no need to say anything to me. Let it be. You all do. Whenever issue comes, you come to me.
Okay. Hello.
I want to connect with Swapnil. Yeah, where are you?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I'm having problem with Raptor. See, I'm trying to do, but there is executing but not giving any results.
You share your screen. What is this?
Addition and square.
You right click the third symbol. Edit. Why are you enclosing the expression within double quotes? All of you pay attention. Akash, you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Can you correct the code of Swapnil? Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
You should get square 1 is equal to, let's say if he is giving 4, he should get 16. So what changes he needs to do in this output?
Ma'am, the symbol is not correctly.
Yeah, you correct the symbol.
Hello, ma'am. In assignment, there are two, set and two. I have not got that. What is set and two?
More than your voice, I can hear beautiful bird sound. Nice to hear in the evening. Let me call Abhilash. Okay, Abhilash, why are your mic symbol is not there?
Ma'am, that is my laptop issue, ma'am. My mic.
Okay, can you help him to correct the code?
Parenthesis at last. Can I, ma'am?
Madhu?
Yes, madam.
Correct the code. He needs to get the output as square equal to 16. If the number 1 is 4. You make the correction.
In the output, yes. The double quotes, yes, put at the last.
When you use double quotes in the first and last, as it is will be printed.
Yes, you won't get any output, like you won't get any values.
Yeah, you won't get value. You will simply get square equal to num into num.
Yeah.
As such, what should we do in order to get the output?
Can increase the font size from 80% to more.
It's not visible.
Not visible.
Ma'am, he could place double quote after equals to sign.
Yes, you should put double quotes. You delete the last double quotes.
Put before equal.
And put it
after equals to.
After equal to.
After equal to.
So means
plus.
You will get the text square 1 equal to. Along with that, you want to concatenate, use plus.
Plus symbol.
Plus.
And ma'am,
This
also
plus
delete
is
the
not for
arrow to
addition.
output.
This plus is for concatenation. You've done. Likewise, you need to correct for every other expression.
Yeah.
Swapnil, have you got the expected output? I can't see your console
Yeah,
screen.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we leave, ma'am?
Expression was wrong, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 second. One last announcement. It's 5:57. Why are you
Yeah.
asking to leave? You have to stay till 6 o'clock. One last announcement at my side. Yeah, it's a huge number. I may miss to connect to any one of you in the session time. If you have still doubt, you can keep on messaging to me on Slack. After 6, I need to take care of my daughter. I'll go to kitchen. I'll do all the dinner work. I'll come back to the machine around 9 o'clock. So from 9 p.m. to till 10:30 or 11, I'll be in front of my machine. I'll be doing my everyday. I can respond to you on that time. If you feel like I didn't connect to you today's session, you missed a lot. Something, if it is required, please feel to come forward. This is only for few days. After that, it will be splitted and we will have a limited count. So don't have a feel that I haven't connected. You feel helpless. So if I missed any of you, I'm apologizing that for the same. You can pass a message. I will connect with you. So even if I receive a message, I will reply you after between 9 p.m. to 10:30. I'll be available online. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
home reading is just
Okay,
an
ma'am.
additional thing I want to give to you all.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm done with the day. So,
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
ma'am.
so much,
thank
ma'am.
you all.
Have a nice day.
Those who
you,
have a
ma'am.
doubt, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for making me astonished. Those who have doubt, you need to talk something, you can stay. Others, you can leave. Enjoy
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
evening. See you
Thank you so
tomorrow.
much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for your messages. Oh, it's great. I'm receiving all your messages on chat box. Thank you.
Ma'am?
Yeah. Yes, I'm here. Yes, Denita.
Ma'am, I need help with this, the selling price, that one, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Okay. Yes, Denita. Still having confusion with that selling price?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Da. What is the confusion? Da. You
Yes.
tell me the confusion. I'll proceed.
This one I want to, so how to do in this? I'm not getting in this, how to do this.
Actual price. Instead of number, you get price. Right click the first box, edit. No, da. That reminds whatever message it comes into your mind, make it as actual price or enter actual price.
Okay. Enter.
All of you, those who are here, if you can extend, you can extend and listen. So listen, Janita, listen carefully.
Yes,
enter prompt here. So those double quotes, where is my whiteboard annotation? Yeah, this is just a prompt message. When I run the application, it's just a message thrown in front of me. That's all.
Okay.
But the value which I'm gonna to enter on the text box, which I'm gonna to capture in the variable. So in order to avoid confusion, in order to utilize the proper variable name is recommended. Since this problem statement is for calculating selling price or discounted price, make it as selling price or price. Don't give number.
Okay.
Make it as price.
Okay.
Before that, have you understood the problem statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's say we both are partners. We are running a stationery store.
Yes.
Every today alone, we are announcing for gift section, we are announcing some discount of 15%.
Okay.
So in my system, if I entered, if the gift is some 240 rupees, how much I want to collect from the customer? For 240, we can calculate. But instead of us, we want to instruct that calculation to my computer. So that is what it's a role of us.
Okay.
Okay. So we are providing an instruction. Initially, I'm providing an instruction. What would be my input? My input will be price. Okay, done. It's done. Click done. Okay, I am gonna to enter price. Click on the screen. Yeah. So enter actual price. I'll get the price. Do you want to get the discount? Discount is already fixed, means you no need to get. If you want to get the discount from the user, then you get the discount. You type discount. And the prompt also you modify it as enter the discount. If you fix for gift section, it is 15%, then you no need to get. For gift section, it is 15. For toy section, it is 20. For other thing, for other product, it is that. If I want to enter the discount, well and good.
Okay.
Done. Listen carefully. So I have captured price, let's say 240 rupees. I'm giving the discount as 15%. Click. Click anywhere. Yeah. And then I want to calculate the discounted price. So utilize this assignment.
Okay.
Right click. You apply the formula. So what I want to set, you set discounted price. This is just a variable I'm gonna to set. Discounted price, very good, underscore price. You apply the formula. What is the formula? What is the formula? Price into, what is that? Price minus
Actual price.
According to you, it is price. Price minus.
Okay.
Others try and help her.
Price minus price.
Price minus price into
Discount.
You should not put 15. Instead of 15 only, you got discount.
Okay.
I asked you, whether you are getting discount or not. Don't give 15. You give discount. Because instead of 15, you got a variable discount. Discount in percentage. Yeah, divide by 100. Very good. That's all. And by the way, display it. You will not get, okay, you give done. Is that clear? This assignment part?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Finally, you display the discounted price. In order to display what we have to use?
This
output.
Output. Either you simply give discounted under price, or if you want some message to be appended, you give. I'm leaving to you. Oh, show me the output. Run. Oh, I can't see the output. Oh, yeah, 250. Discounted price. You run, rerun. If you give 250, your discounted price is 212. All right. Others, if you want, you can take a snap and you try. Benita, you try, dear, like this, no? You think and try. You have to think. What happened? Is there any syntax? I think you made a mistake in the input. You run again. You give some price. I can't see anything. I can't see the dialog box.
Oh.
300 discount price. You give some discount. 12%, 20%, 25%. I think it's working. If you give 300, some 260 rupees.
Okay.
Wait. I cannot see the output, but I can see here. You
Yes,
drag the screen, you drag this, enlarge that. So if your price is 300, if the customer came for billing, if you give 300 rupees and 12%, you will be collecting 264 rupees from customer.
Okay.
This is how all those tax, GST, everything will be calculated.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rushikesh.
I have a question, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a doubt in question number 7. Actually, I create flow chart, but it didn't run. 1 minute, I share it. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see your
Yes.
chart diagram. You run. How can you use same variable name 5 times? Who's this? Rushikesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Please use number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or M1, M2, M3. So many confusion. Okay, I'll tell you. Instead of num, you use M1, M2, M3, M4, M5.
Oh.
Don't use num. You use M1 first, M2, M3. Then this will work, and this will work. I'm sure. You have to make the modification with all the getting the variable.
Okay.
Good try, by the way.
Thank you.
Anurag, Sukrit, I'm working on the same with tech person. I'll get back to you.
No problem. I've shared the algorithms with you.
Yeah, but as we discussed,
yeah,
you have to.
No, I've shared the algorithms as well.
Yeah. It's fine. It's fine.
So yeah, just if you get the time, just let me know if there's any. I had one confusion though. If you can help in question 7 for the algorithm. Should I share the screen?
No, I am seeing your code. What is the confusion? You get 5. You got 5 marks.
Yes. So after that, the calculate part, do we have to follow any certain? Because I haven't. I mean, I haven't made the outputs.
It's correct. Leave. When it comes to programming language, when it comes to tool, you will come to know.
Okay.
But in 8th and 9th step, my only input for you is you can calculate total mark by summing up all the 5 subject marks. You have to mention that in the algorithm. Calculate total mark equal to subject 1 plus subject 2, 3, 4, 5. Average mark equal to total marks divided by 5.
Yeah, I didn't do that because I wasn't sure if.
But it's fine. I can see your code follow below to the algorithm. It's mentioning all right.
Okay, that was the confusion I was having. Thank you.
Okay, I have 5 participants. If there is no queries, I'll end. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will share with you just a minute. See, I'm doing this. I'm not getting what
oh my God. What is this? Okay. See, you already got an instruction from the environment, missing right parenthesis. So you try to add one more parenthesis
this is
And why are you having space between selling and price at the end? Selling price is a single variable. You try once. You simply give done and try once. Then I'll come. There it is not required. That is just okay. You run. You stop and rerun. Yeah. No. Again, one parenthesis is required. You add one more parenthesis before the whole expression. So tell me, what is the expression here? The calculation part, yeah. So initially 0.1 into selling price.
Selling price.
That has to be concatenated with, added with selling price. Very good. You add one parenthesis. Yeah, it will work. Check.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Rosikesh, Swapnil, Anurag, shall we close for the day?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, in fifth question, in fifth demo, I'm always stuck in the in a variable section. In every question, I will always stuck in variable section.
What is the problem with fifth question?
The problem is
if you are in the halfway, you share your screen. We will do together.
okay. Ma'am, are you visible?
Yeah, maximize your screen.
Yeah, just do it.
No. You close this prompt.
Whole.
You open a notepad. You close. You open a notepad.
Okay.
You copy paste the problem statement on this notepad. You close the prompt. I said you close. You close the prompt alone, the input prompt. You minimize the Raptor. Minimize. I said minimize. Okay. Go to notepad. You copy paste the question. You write an algorithm. Hasib, if you want, you can leave.
Okay, Sangeeta. Yeah, because I'm fasting, so I need to break.
Oh, yeah. You have.
Okay.
I'll give you a call after 8 or 9 p.m.
Okay, fine. Anytime is okay. No issues.
Okay.
No issues. Okay. Thank you, Sangeeta. Yeah, bye. See you tomorrow. Yeah, see you.
Ma'am, is this visible?
Yeah. You write an algorithm. Okay. See, Anurag, the ultimate thing is you try to crack the algorithm. You try to follow the solving. Then you implement the same in your Raptor.
Okay.
So what is the problem statement? Get 2 numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible to perform addition of those 2 numbers? Possible or not? You answer me.
Yes, ma'am, it is possible.
After that, can you display the addition answer?
Sorry.
Everything is possible, and by the way, all the 3 things are simple. So I want you to write an algorithm, and I want you to crack the same algorithm in Raptor tool. Do it. If you got struck, I will be connecting to you after 9 p.m.
Okay.
All right. This is possible, pa. So you give a try.
Okay.
All
Thank you.
right. Welcome. Thank you. Swapnil, shall we close?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you
Thank
all.
you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.